Hey guys, good morning. This is like day I don't know what of quarantine. I just woke up. I look so crazy. But I'm just gonna vlog today because I have nothing better to do. And yeah, so I did not just wake up actually. I already have breakfast and everything. I'm gonna brush my teeth again. I'm gonna fix my room first, get in the shower, brush my teeth again. I think I'm gonna go for a little walk or whatever. Then we could do our makeup and see what there is to do, because honestly, bro, like this is so fucking, like, I'm about to go mad. So I'll be right back. See y'all. So before I hop in the shower, I'm gonna go ahead. I already like fixed my room and stuff. Well, this is my boyfriend's room, but I already like picked up the room and stuff. I breathe like a beast. Like, I'm not gonna say that enough. I breathe like a beast because I don't know, it's a pregnancy thing for me, at least. I don't know. So I'm gonna take my prenatals. These are the Vita Fusion prenatals. So these don't have they don't have what is it called? Jesus Christ. Shit, they don't have something. Iron, I think. So they don't have iron because iron makes me really sick. So when I was taking it in the morning, they were making me really sick. I need to get a new jar. But these are like gummies. They're really good. And I try to remember to take them every day, honestly. Well, I forgot. So to rate this ring light, this is a newer ring light. I got it on Amazon. I would give it a 6. The ring light is flimsy, and like the connection to it, I don't know if that's everybody's, but mine's at least. I have to kind of like play with it for it to, with the plug. But like the light, the actual light is pretty good and stuff. I feel like mine was missing some pieces. Maybe I'm bugging out. But I've had it for like a little bit over a year now. And it's decent. Like, it does the job. But it's not like amazing, you know. So let me just turn it on so you guys can see. Pretty bright. And it comes with like these red covers. Like, instead of this clear, it comes with like these red covers that you can, I guess it gives you a warmer light, but I like this bright, nice bright light. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower, you guys. After that, I'm gonna show you guys what I used to wash my face and everything. For my hair, for the braids, before I get in the shower, I'll show you guys. I just take a bonnet, put all my hair up like this. This is the same way I sleep. And just put a shower cap on. I don't want to wet them yet, you know. I just got them done. So I'll do that, and then I'll put a shower cap. So yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. I'll be right back. So I'm just getting out the shower, and I was gonna do a voiceover, but I don't know. I think I should just talk. So yeah, I'm going to, actually no, I'm gonna do a voiceover. don't know if you can tell, but my lips are, well, my lips are naturally dark, but they look a little bit pinker because I did go ahead and exfoliate. I did a lip scrub. I got this from Marshall's. It's a brown sugar lip scrub. I didn't show you guys on camera because it could get a little crusty, so I was like, let me just do it. But usually my lips get like this kind of like a, it's sometimes if they're dry or sometimes they're a little too moisturized, like right here they get like this dead skin. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more of my chapstick. So now I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I use on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole moisturizing my skin routine, because to me that is essential. A lot of people, you know, don't really put lotion on or moisturize their skin, but to me, I have extremely dry skin, so I have to moisturize every day. Sometimes I'm like, fuck, I gotta do this whole process every day, but I really do. makeup. I actually double stacked on my lashes. Well, I'm gonna do a voiceover and explain it. I'm about to go make some mac and cheese because I'm hungry, but I don't feel like cooking. I've been cooking all these days. So let me just give y'all a little close up, baby. The palette that I use is the Norvina palette, the Pro. I think it's like volume, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna insert all the information. So I'm gonna make some mac and cheese. I don't know if I'm gonna keep vlogging, so let's see. So yeah, BRB. Wanna go downstairs? Come, let's go. Look what I got you. Okay, so I'm starving. I'm gonna make some mac and cheese. I have to put my glasses on, you guys, because I can't see. So yeah, I'm about to make some mac and cheese. I was gonna cook and make some steak and rice and stuff, but I'll do that tomorrow. I really don't feel like it today. But look at me, I'm cute. You're not. No, I'm joking. You are, bitch. You're beautiful. It's literally liquid gold, but I'm gonna show y'all a trick. So once I add my cheese, my secret weapon that's probably disgusting to many is sazon. I literally add sazon, and I will not eat mac and cheese if it doesn't have sazon. Also, I boil these as well, and I chop them up and I throw them in there.
Give me a kiss. Mwah. What you recording?
I'm vlogging. And to top it off,
You vlogging for mac and cheese?
yeah, some parm to the topsies.
What's up, my boy?
So I'm going to end my vlog now. I just ate. I'm so full. Yeah, and we're about to play some Trouble. I mean, no, Sorry. I'm gonna play some Sorry. So, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll probably do another one, or just film a video or something sometime this week. Let's acknowledge the makeup. But yeah, sometime this week, I just have to brainstorm and come up with ideas. Like, I have a few, but you know, I need to be posting. I need to be posting fire shit. So, anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and share. Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance, he said.